Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, update iTunes to the latest version on your computer. This ensures compatibility and fewer errors during syncing. Next, connect your iPhone using a working Lightning or USB-C cable. Inspect the cable for frays and use an original or certified replacement. Authorize this computer in iTunes with your Apple ID before starting. Go to Account, then Authorizations, and choose Authorize this computer. Finally, make a fresh backup of your iPhone to iTunes or iCloud before syncing any media. Open iTunes and click the small iPhone icon to view device settings. Select the Music tab to manage songs and playlists for synchronization. Check Sync Music and then choose to transfer your entire library or selected playlists, artists, and albums. If you choose selected content, tick the specific playlists you want to copy. Use the checkbox to include videos or voice memos if desired. When you finish selecting, click Apply and then click Sync to begin copying music to your iPhone. For wireless convenience, enable Wi-Fi syncing in the Summary tab under Options. Once enabled, your iPhone will sync automatically when on the same network and charging. If you prefer manual control, check Manually Manage Music and drag songs directly to your device in iTunes. Resolve conflicts by choosing to replace or keep existing content when prompted. Always click the eject icon next to your device name before disconnecting the cable. Confirm the sync finished successfully by checking the Music app on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.